Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into a very different, unique topic that is perimenopause. Perimenopause is the phase of woman's life which any woman, every woman goes through it or she's already gone through it. This is that phase of life that is 5 to 10 years before the menstrual cycle is going to stop. With this, we are also going to discuss a very important topic that is HPV vaccine, that is prevention for cervical cancer. So, before that, my name is Poonam. I'm a parenting coach and I am an expert in early childhood education also. So, let's discuss the topic in detail in today's video. Perimenopause starts in the late 30s or early 40s. It is that stage of woman's life when woman is going through a drastic change in her body. That is when she's feeling the symptoms like hot flashes and being very cranky, like brain fog, and she's not able to concentrate, no focus, and irregular periods. That's one of the major symptoms. And not able to sleep properly. That is called disturbed sleep or insomnia. She's having a drastic change before the menopause is actually going to happen. So this is very normal. We need to be aware about it and we need to talk about it more openly. Apart from this, we need to understand that estrogen levels are falling down. Because of that, body is going for a major change, shift we can say. That is like affecting a woman's heart, woman's blood, skin, hair, and mood changes in her lifestyle, everything. This and all is going to happen very soon now at the end of 30s or at the beginning of 40s, just before the menstrual cycle comes to an halt. As I mentioned, awareness helps. Also, there are some ways we can overcome this phase by changing a bit of your lifestyle, eating healthy, nutritious food, following a good exercise regime, and sleep pattern. These are the few changes if we make in our day-to-day lifestyle, we can overcome all this very easily and smoothly without creating a more fuss about it. I'm sure you'll be wondering why I am clubbing HPV vaccine with perimenopause, because it is actually clubbed with that age group when it is coming to end of 30s or the beginning of 40s. As I mentioned, our body is going for a drastic change. Our health priorities should also be given a drastic importance. That is when it comes to HPV vaccine, that is cervical cancer awareness. We need to understand more about this and talk more openly about HPV vaccine. It is coming to end of 30s or the beginning of 40s. This vaccine is not only for teenagers as suggested in the vaccination card of every child, but also for ladies who are about to getting their period stopped very soon. So this vaccine prevents women against the second deadliest cancer in India. Yes, you've heard it right. There's a second deadliest cancer in India after the breast cancer. But we are aware what are the symptoms of that, but most of the time these topics are not discussed openly. So HPV is a vaccine that is against human papilloma virus. It prevents us, and 80% of us, we all have it by anyways, by any means. But some of them, it takes a drastic change and it converts into a cancerous virus. So to avoid this, we can take this vaccine and suggest your friends, as the kids of that age group, that is 9 to 14, are already taking it. Why not we as women can take this and prevent ourselves against the deadliest cancer? Why not? Let's go for it. So friends, if you are in your 30s or early 40s, take charge of your body. Go speak to the doctor, take the HPV vaccine, and take charge of your hormones also. You know how to now focus it, routine it, how to have 100% charge of your body, right? So why not take the charge and spread the awareness about this HPV vaccine and perimenopause topic. Talk about it more openly with your friends and sisters, wife, friends, colleagues. And if your child is between 9 to 14 years of that age group, boy or girl, please go and vaccinate your child. That's the one thing, first thing what we can do for ourselves, our family, our society, our nation. So let's do it together, and I think with our together controlled and proper protection for our child, we can have a better future for our nation also. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.